In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your TCL Google TV to a Bluetooth speaker. We're actually using this Bluetooth speaker, okay? So watch the video until the end. Press the settings button on the TV remote. So you have this display on the right, and then press OK on all settings, okay? Now when you press OK on all settings, you're going to move down to remotes and accessories, press OK. Now make sure that Bluetooth is actually toggled on, okay? And make sure that the device that you're actually going to connect to, okay, is actually, the Bluetooth is actually turned on and it can be accessed, it can actually be paired with the TCL Google TV, okay? Move down to pair accessory, press OK on pair accessory, they bring you this, then press OK. Now it's actually going to search for the accessories, it's actually going to search for the Bluetooth device, okay? So currently this one that I showed you in the video is showing up right there. So you're actually going to press OK. You can actually see it's pairing, as you can see. Then you see this Bluetooth pairing request paired with this device, then press OK, pair. You can actually see Bluetooth device connected. So now you can actually play anything, and it's actually going to go through the Bluetooth speaker. You can actually see it's connected down there. And that's it.